Imagine a world where a Tyrannosaurus rex, an animal that disappeared 66 million years ago, walks the Earth again. Not in a movie, not in a theme park, but in a real laboratory, recreated using cutting-edge biotechnology. It sounds unbelievable, almost like something out of Jurassic Park. But scientists today are closer than ever to cloning extinct animals. So the big question is, could we actually clone a T-Rex? And what would happen if we did? Let's break down the science, the challenges, and the reality behind one of the most mind-blowing ideas ever imagined. Cloning any animal starts with one thing: DNA, the genetic blueprint for life. For a dinosaur, that DNA would need to come from fossilized bones, fossilized teeth, soft tissue inside a bone, or blood from an insect trapped in amber, like in the movies. Sounds cool. But here's the problem. DNA doesn't last forever. It breaks down over time. The oldest usable DNA ever found is about 1 million years old. Dinosaurs went extinct 66 million years ago. That's a massive gap. Even if we found tiny fragments, reconstructing the entire T-Rex genome would be like trying to finish a giant jigsaw puzzle with most of the pieces missing. And filling in those pieces with frog DNA, like Jurassic Park did, wouldn't work. Let's say somehow scientists magically reconstructed the T-Rex genome. There's still another problem. Modern cloning requires placing a complete genome into a living egg cell from a mother of the same species. But dinosaurs don't have modern relatives with dinosaur-sized eggs. A chicken egg won't work, neither will a crocodile egg. And a synthetic artificial egg big enough for a T-Rex is something we can't build yet. Even though we can't clone dinosaurs, we've made mind-blowing discoveries that bring us closer to understanding them. For example, scientists in China found incredibly well-preserved dinosaur embryos, including one called baby Yingliang, at least 66 million years old. It was curled inside its egg in a tucking posture almost identical to modern birds. That means some dinosaurs prepared to hatch the same way birds do today. We've also found the smallest dinosaur eggs ever discovered, and even crystallized fossil eggs. These fossils help us understand how dinosaurs reproduced, grew, and lived long before humans existed. So while cloning isn't possible, our understanding of dinosaurs is stronger than ever. Some scientists are exploring a different idea: reverse engineering modern birds to bring out ancient traits. For example, adding tails, adding teeth, modifying limbs, altering bones. These experiments have created some dinosaur-like features. But even if they succeeded, the result wouldn't be a real dinosaur. It would be just a modified bird, not a T-Rex. So a reverse-engineered T-Rex isn't happening either. Let's imagine the impossible happened. A T-Rex embryo exists. It hatches. It survives. Now what? Where would it live? A zoo? A lab? A private reserve? A T-Rex grows to over 12 meters long and can weigh 8 tons. Its bite force could crush a small car. Modern ecosystems aren't prepared for an animal like that. We'd also have no idea how to care for it. Even if we managed to keep it alive, it would have no natural home. It would be a lonely, confused animal from another world, stuck in ours. And the truth is, its immune system, built for the ancient Cretaceous Earth, might not survive long today. The modern world would be more dangerous to it than it would be to us. The T-Rex problem isn't unique. Cloning long-extinct animals almost always runs into the same issues. DNA too degraded, no suitable surrogate mothers, health defects during development, low success rates, ethical concerns. In fact, the only extinct animal ever cloned, the Pyrenean ibex, or bucardo, survived only a few minutes before dying from lung defects caused by cloning errors. Even for recently extinct species, cloning is unpredictable and dangerous. For dinosaurs, it's impossible. Here's where things get exciting. Even though dinosaurs are impossible to clone, scientists are making real progress resurrecting other species, or at least close versions of them they're working on. Mammoth-like elephants using CRISPR to add mammoth genes into elephant DNA. Not true mammoths, but cold-adapted hybrids. Tasmanian tigers rebuilding their genome using marsupial stem cells. A real baby thylacine might be born within a decade. Dodo-like birds using bird germ cell editing to rebuild dodo traits in related pigeons. Przewalski's horses cloning to restore genetic diversity in endangered populations. Passenger pigeons editing band-tailed pigeons to recreate lost forest-shaping behaviors. American bison using genetics to solve disease barriers and restore herds to indigenous lands. So while dinosaurs remain science fiction, de-extinction for recent animals is becoming real. Cloning a T-Rex is impossible with today's science. The DNA is gone. The eggs are gone. The environment has changed beyond what a dinosaur could survive. But the science inspired by that dream, DNA sequencing, genetic editing, synthetic biology, has changed our world forever. We may never walk beside a T-Rex, but we might soon walk beside animals we once lost forever. And that's just as incredible. If you love videos about dinosaurs, extinct animals, hit that like button and subscribe. Amazing discoveries are coming, and you won't want to miss what's next.